Have you ever wondered how to make money from cliqly? Well, let's dive into this fascinating platform. cliqly is a unique and innovative platform that's changing the way we think about earning money online. It operates as a digital marketplace, connecting businesses and individuals, and offering a wide array of services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a marketer, or a programmer, cliqly gives you the opportunity to monetize your skills and talents. But it's not just for freelancers. Businesses too can tap into this platform to expand their reach and increase their profits. By buying and selling services, promoting products, and participating in the platform's various features, you can turn cliqly into a significant revenue stream. So if you're someone who's always on the lookout for new ways to make money, cliqly might just be the answer you've been seeking. Ready to turn your curiosity into a revenue stream? Stay tuned. Scene script. First things first, you need to set up your cliqly account. Setting up a cliqly account is a straightforward process designed to get you up and running in no time. The first step is to visit the cliqly website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will lead you to the registration page. Registration on cliqly is fairly simple. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your full name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Remember, your password is like the key to your digital house. So, make it strong and unique to ensure the safety of your account. After filling out this information, you'll be prompted to agree to cliqly's terms and conditions. It's worth taking a few minutes to read through these, as they outline your rights and responsibilities as a cliqly user. Once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, you'll be asked to verify your email address. This is an essential step because it helps cliqly ensure that you're not a robot and that your email address is valid. A verification link will be sent to your email. Click on this link to confirm your account. After successful verification, you'll be directed back to cliqly where you can complete your profile. This is your chance to tell a little bit about yourself and your business. You can choose to add a profile picture, a brief bio, and links to your social media or website. Remember, a complete and professional-looking profile can go a long way in establishing credibility with potential clients or partners. And voila, you now have a cliqly account. But before you dive in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform. Explore the features, understand the interface, and get a feel for how things work. With your account set up, you're ready to start making money on cliqly. Now, how exactly can you make money on cliqly? Let's dive in. First and foremost, cliqly is a platform ripe with opportunities for affiliate marketing. This is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to your cliqly followers, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's a win-win situation. You make money, your followers discover great products, and the companies increase their sales. Next up, let's talk about sponsored content. This is where companies pay you to post about their product or service on your cliqly page. It's a popular way for brands to reach new audiences and for cliqly users to earn money. The key here is to ensure that any sponsored content aligns with your brand and resonates with your followers. Authenticity is crucial. If your followers trust you, they are more likely to consider your sponsored content. Another lucrative feature of cliqly is the ability to sell products or services directly. Whether you're a fashion designer selling your latest collection, an artist selling digital prints, or a consultant offering your expertise, cliqly provides the platform to reach a wider audience. The direct selling feature is simple and straightforward, allowing you to manage your business with ease. But what if you don't have a product or service to sell? No problem. cliqly also allows users to make money through ad revenue. Simply enable ads on your page, and you'll earn money each time an ad is viewed or clicked. It's a passive way to generate income while you focus on creating engaging content for your followers. And don't forget about cliqly's donation feature. This allows your followers to support you financially if they love what you're doing. It's a direct way for your audience to show their appreciation and help you continue doing what you love. As you can see, cliqly offers various ways to monetize your efforts. But how can you maximize your earnings on cliqly? Here are some strategies. First off, it's all about finding your niche. With so much content out there, standing out can be tough. But if you're the go-to resource for a specific topic or audience, you'll find your place in the market. So, start by identifying a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This way, you'll not only enjoy what you're doing, but you'll also be more likely to create content that resonates deeply with your audience. Next, focus on creating high-quality content. On cliqly, quality trumps quantity every time. So instead of churning out content for the sake of it, take the time to craft engaging, well-researched, and visually appealing posts. Remember, every piece of content you create is an opportunity to captivate your audience and build your brand. So, make it count. Another key strategy is building a strong following. On cliqly, your followers are your ticket to higher earnings. The more people you reach, the more opportunities you have to monetize your content. So how do you build a strong following? It's all about engagement. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that sparks conversation. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your content, and the more your following grows. Lastly, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of cliqly is that it's a dynamic platform that rewards creativity. Try different content formats, explore new topics, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, and it's through experimentation that you'll find what works best for you and your audience. Implementing these strategies can significantly boost your earning potential on cliqly. So whether you're just starting out or looking to take your cliqly earnings to the next level, these strategies can help. Remember, success on cliqly doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, persistence, and a little bit of creativity, you can make the most of this platform and turn your passion into profit. Success on cliqly isn't just about understanding the platform and its features. Here are some tips for achieving long-term success. First and foremost, consistency is key. Whether you're selling products, offering services, or sharing content, it's crucial to stay regular. This doesn't mean you have to post every hour on the hour, but setting a schedule and sticking to it can help keep your followers engaged and coming back for more. Next, engagement is the name of the game. It's not enough to just put your offerings out into the digital world and hope for the best. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and consider their feedback. This not only fosters a sense of community, but it also shows that you value them, which can lead to greater loyalty and in turn increased profits. Now let's talk about learning and adapting. The digital landscape is constantly shifting, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Make it a point to stay on top of trends and changes within your industry and on cliqly itself. Don't be afraid to pivot or alter your strategy if something isn't working. Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of the journey. Another tip is to invest in quality. Whether that's the quality of your products, your content, or even the quality of your interactions with your audience, quality matters. In a world where consumers have endless options at their fingertips, standing out often means offering something of real, tangible value. Lastly, don't forget to take care of yourself. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of trying to make it big on cliqly, but remember, you're only human. Take breaks when you need them, find balance, and make sure you're enjoying the process. After all, what's the point of success if you're too burnt out to enjoy it? Remember, success on cliqly, like anything else, requires time, effort, and patience. So there you have it, your guide to making money on cliqly. We've walked through the basics, starting from setting up your account to understanding the platform's unique money-making features. We've delved into strategies that can help you maximize your earnings and shared insider tips to ensure your success on cliqly. The potential to make money on cliqly is real and within reach. It's all about knowing the ropes and using them to your advantage. Remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, dedication, and smart strategies. But with patience and consistency, you can turn cliqly into a substantial source of income. Now, it's your turn to put these tips into action and start your journey to financial freedom with cliqly. Ready to start your cliqly journey? Go ahead and take the first step today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and guides. Until next time, good luck and happy earning.